Now everyone, how are you doing? Hope you're all keeping well. So today I am going to carve a boy bee dragon. So it'd be, when was it, last year? Can't remember, I think it was August last year. I'll show you. I carved I'll show my phone, it'll be easier. I carved this 12-foot dragon over an on-site job locally. And they've asked if I can make a little boy bee dragon to roughly match what I carved for them. So that's what we're going to do today. I'll show you the log. I've got it in place. It's just got the basic scribbles on, as I do. So yeah, just going to do a little head on there, little pot belly with stubby little wings. I was going to do like cartoonish eyes on it, but I think she still wants it to look somewhat menacing for a 2.5 foot tall dragon, as much as it can be. So yeah, so let's get you on the stand, and sawdust already, and let's see how it turns out, shall we? See you somewhere. Bye. Morning guys. Right, job done. Do you have a quick look? What do you reckon? Look at him with his little wings. Yeah. He's cute, isn't he? But also extremely scary. Sort of. Yep. I think he looks sufficiently intimidating. Right then, another one done. So next one, I think it might be a 6-foot peacock. We'll see. Hopefully we'll see you on that one anyway. Thanks very much guys. See you later.